These are the answers for grade 1 music theory exercises, or the accidentals exercises. It says, for number 1, give the letter names of these notes, making sure we use the correct symbols for sharps and flats. This exercise is a little bit tricky because we need to pay attention to the clefs. In our first answer is C sharp because we are in the bass clef. So we'll write C sharp. Next one, bass clef, this is E flat. The next one is treble clef, the D sharp. The next answer is G sharp because we're in the bass clef. In the treble clef, this is an A flat. Then in the treble clef again, this is an F sharp. And finally, in the bass clef, this is a B flat. So again, that should be C sharp, E flat, D sharp, G sharp, A flat, F sharp, and B flat. Next it says, complete the sentence, accidentals affect all subsequent notes written on the same line or space until the correct answer is bar line is drawn. Another way that we can also cancel out our accidentals is to use another accidental, which is a natural sign. Then, we're going to give the letter name of the notes marked with a star, including the sharp or flat sign when needed. So this exercise, we start we're in the treble clef, and so this is a C natural, then a B flat. Then we have an A flat. Then we go to an F natural. We have a C sharp, and then finally we have an E flat. So again, those answers are C, B flat, A flat. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. This one is not F. That's a D in the treble clef. We have C, B flat, A flat, D, C sharp, and E flat. Next exercises are on the bass clef. So for these, we have an E, we have an F sharp, we have a B flat, a D natural, then we have a G sharp, and a B natural. Again, those answers are E, F sharp, B flat, D, G sharp, and B. Our next question is circle all the F sharps in this melody. So we'll start with our first F sharp here. Then, also in the same measure. Moving along, we don't have any F sharps until this measure. Then we have 2 in this measure. And our final measure is also an F sharp. So we should have 6 F sharps circled. Then our final question is to circle the higher or lower note as indicated. So in our first example, in the treble clef, the G sharp is higher than G natural. E flat is lower than E natural. And F sharp is higher than F natural. In the bass clef, B flat is lower than B natural. D natural is higher than D flat. And our last question, C natural is lower than C sharp. So there we have the answers for our accidentals exercises.